Sri Gurubhyo Namah, Sri Acharya Gurubhyo. Welcome to Amrutagam Vidasara, episode number 2154. Here representing interesting pattern Mohara Mukta Migupu in Misri Chapu. This Mukta is set to, Mohara is set to 112 Kriyas and the Mukta set to 42 Kriyas each. Hope you'll enjoy my non-stop video series. And the varieties of Mohara Mukta with various talas without repeating any idea patterns so far since last 2153 days. You can log on to my YouTube channel, Dr. Prishnavas Gopalan, to find in all my videos on that. Let me demonstrate today's Mohara for you. Takradaka Hope you are like this.